Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, Ms. Zeus. Today I'm going to be talking about how I try to stay as organized as possible. This was requested by a follower and it's been so long since she actually asked for it, but I'm finally going to be doing it. I basically strive to just stay as organized as possible because when you are just in school and you have a job, it's best to stay on top of your game because if not, things are going to go downhill very fast. So I have a few things that helps me keep organized and on top of my game. So the first thing that I'm going to be talking about is probably like the least thing that I actually do use is my folder I have for keeping it kind. Goal for this was just to write down all my goals and my ideas that I had for my channel, but because I haven't been filming as much as I wanted to, or I don't have anything actually in there, I printed out some calendars. This was from April. That was a few months ago. So basically it was like a schedule. So I have like film day, my post day, my notes on here. And that was actually the only thing I have in here. So I definitely should pick this back up because I know it would help me, but I just don't do it, which I probably should. So that's one thing. The next thing I use more than that is my bill book. So, I actually got this for Christmas last year. I think either my mom or my sister bought this for me. I didn't know what I was going to use it for, but I found a good use for it. So basically what this is I write down all my bills from the month down to the date, down to my goals that I want to achieve. If it's has to do with like my budgeting or saving up, basically what I want to achieve, if it has to do with like my money or like my savings account. So just to give you guys an example, I started this in December of 2018. So each page is a different month. As you can see, there is December, January, February, March, April, May, all the way up. Oh wow, so there's more. Oh, so I must have got this in 2017 because there's 2 December. So yeah, I've had this for over a year now and it's like the exact same each page. So all the way up until June, which is this month. So I basically just separate it by the month and then I'll write down each bill I have, the date, the amount, what it's for. I also have a paid column. Then I have like my goals that I want to achieve. I would definitely suggest the book because I know that it's written down somewhere, because if it's me, if there's something in my head, I'll probably forget and never do it. I write it down month by month. I know if I had paid this January of 2018 on this date. I know if I paid that, or if I didn't pay it, I know because it says paid or not. I definitely keep that up to date just because it's so important that I pay my bills on time and like the right bills. So that is this. On the back it just says City You Dreamin'. My sister actually did these for me. So nice. So there's that. The next thing I do to keep organized, probably like the most common thing someone can have, is a planner. I know it's huge. The bigger the better. Well, to me. So I actually got this planner. It was a suggestion from my sister because it's from the brand The Happy Planner. The Happy Planner is like a brand of like planners that is just amazing. They just have so many different types. This is mine. The top says, I love the person I've become because I fought to become her. This is for 2019 through 2020. So just to open up, I got this after the year started, so like the first couple months are empty, but we're gonna go to January since that is empty. So this is what January looks like. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but so basically when the months start, it has the previous month, the current month, and the month after that, and then it also has like take note. It has this month, it tells you what holidays are there, and my monthly goals. And I absolutely love this because I'm definitely someone to write things down and then see it and then try to work more hard for or to achieve that goal. So I can say like, take note, so this month I have this due. I have to go to this place. This month, I have to make sure that I achieve this goal, or my monthly goals. Make sure I get an A on this test. So I really like this page, and then it has another quote. And then to actually go into the calendar month, the month is split into 2 pages. Just your basic calendar, and then when you flip over to actually go into the days of the month, It's huge. So I'm gonna go flip it again. So January 7th, 8th, and 9th are into columns, and it has this tiny little space up here. On the side it says take notes. Each month has a page where it says take note this month, and monthly goals. So I'm gonna skip to a month that I actually done. So this is what my page looked like. So for my take note, I put like my bills that I had to pay this month. I talked about like my budgeting, and then for my monthly goals, I put to put more money back in my savings account that I actually took out, which is so bad. I'm a color person, so I highlight everything I see. I like colors. Colors are like my thing. If I take notes, I highlight all of it. Here's what my days look like: job schedule, what to do, and I broke it down into my classes. This is what my planner looks like, and the back it has just some extra note pages to write in, as I do that a lot. Alright, so this is another method that I use to stay organized. So I have this right here. This one just basically tells me what I have to do for the day. So it has today and tomorrow. I also put the next bill that is due, which is my credit card bill that is due the 23rd of this month. So after I pay that, I will erase it and then put like the next upcoming bill that is due. This one looks a bit nuts. If I have any important papers that I need to remember, I always thumbtack it to the bulletin board. This is my calendar for the month. Personal stuff would be in black, my work stuff will be in red, and this is basically what I just break it down into. And then for the upcoming week, I have some projects that I have to work on, a quiz, a dentist appointment, and then I also have like my work schedule at the bottom of this. And then I have these markers. These came with a board. I love it. They also came with these thumbtacks, these magnetic things if I want to put something on the board, an eraser, and more just little magnetic things. Thank you for watching this video. I know it's been a long time since I posted, but hopefully I can get more motivated to film more and post more. If you liked it, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and comment down below. Also, send me some requests on what I should do, because right now I'm having a vlogger's block. If you guys like my videos and actually watch them, I'll leave my Instagram down below so you guys can DM me some requests on what I should do next, because your girl is struggling. But if I helped you on anything, like I give you some good tips, let me know, because that would make me feel great. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.